In this quick video, we want to do a full factory reset on any Apple AirPod Pro, and it doesn't matter what generation you have. If you have a 1, 2, 3, or 4, whatever you have, it's done with the same way. And the only thing that you want to need is your Apple iPhone with you. So what you're going to do is go ahead and put both earpods into its charging case. And then we want to close it, and then we're going to leave it closed for 30 seconds. All right? After 30 seconds, we're going to open it back up, and then you're going to grab your iPhone. And then with your iPhone, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Settings, and then from Settings, you're going to go to Bluetooth, and then you want to see where it'll say Apple AirPod or whatever version that you have of the AirPod. And then what you're going to do is you're going to select the little I, the letter I beside your AirPods. And then what you're going to do is you're going to choose Forget This Device, and then you confirm. And then after you do that, what you're going to do is go back to your case, your charging case, and keep it open. And then there's going to be a reset button right here on the back. As you can see right here, there's a button. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold it down for at least 15 seconds. And what's going to happen is it's going to actually blink, and it'll probably start blinking orange. While you're holding it down, you don't let go as I'm holding it down. And then what's going to happen is you're going to hear it chime, and then this will turn orange. All right? And that's how you do a full factory reset on any Apple AirPod Pro. And tell me in the comment section, what generation do you have? Do you have a 2? Do you have a 1? I'd like to know. Thanks for watching.